welcome back to my channel. My name is Madeline. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below. As you can see by the title, I am unboxing my new camera. We're almost at 40 subscribers, so it would mean so much to me if you guys subscribe and help me reach my goal. I have a new camera. I can produce better quality content for you guys. I'm currently filming on my iPhone 11, which films at 60 frames per second. I was comparing for a few months whether to get the Canon G7X or the DSLR camera. I decided to go with the Canon G7X because it was on sale, and I'm happy about my choice because I can vlog with it and it's more portable. Once I get comfortable filming on camera, then I'm going to start recording on the bigger DSLR. I got this camera online and it came in a day from Best Buy, and then I got my accessories from Amazon. Okay, let's open it up. What's inside is the battery, the charger. I'm gonna go charge it up. This is the camera. It's so cute, and the thing I always get so excited for is the viewfinder. It's heavier than it looks. I'm so excited to use this and like have like better quality videos for you guys. Like I kind of already cheated. I already set up my camera. First I got this glass screen protector. It came with 3 screen protectors. I got the SD card for 128 gigabytes. This is a USB adapter, so you plug this into your computer and then you can put the SIM card in and 3 USB ports. Oh my gosh, she's pink. So this is how it looks like. It comes with a SIM card and 3 USB ports. Next thing I got was this silicone case for my camera. Well, it has the little buttons on the side. Let's put this on. So I put a mount on it to make it more secure, so I'm gonna remove that. Okay, I got it off. So let's put this silicone case back on my camera. So that's how it looks like. It's so cute. I'm gonna put the battery inside and the SD card. Yeah, I got it out. Yay! Oh my gosh, she's ready to be used. Next thing I got was this external hard drive. It has 1 terabyte on it, so I can store a lot of videos that I record on here. Next I got a tripod twisted on the camera. This is how it looks like. It's really cute. I love the pink and white. This is how it looks like on the tripod. It's really cute. Okay, so it is recording now. This is quality for the G7X. I feel like the lighting for the iPhone is much better because it picks up more warmer lighting. I feel like I probably will adjust the settings for that, but I like how the focus is better on the G7X compared to the iPhone. The background is more blurred and like focus on my face. I have to make sure I keep looking at the lens instead of the viewfinder, but I like it. I'm so happy. This is my current setup. And that's all I have for you guys today. I had to switch from my phone to my camera because my phone can no longer record videos because the storage is full. So that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my camera. I can't wait to do more videos with better quality. Okay.